Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rollator walkers available on the market based on their quality, features, and value. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a premium option, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Drive Medical 10257BL 4-wheel rollator walker with seat. This model offers a great balance of durability, stability, and affordability. Its steel frame is both strong and stylish, and the 7.5-inch caster wheels provide excellent stability for outdoor use. It also features an adjustable handle height ranging from 31 to 35 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of users. With a removable backrest and a foldable design, this walker is also easy to store and transport. However, its 18.6-pound weight makes it a bit heavier than some of the competition, which may not be ideal for users who prioritize portability. The under-seat storage pouch is a convenient addition for carrying small personal items, but it's not as spacious as the storage options in some of the other models we'll look at today. Overall, this rollator is a solid choice for users who value durability and want a reliable option for both indoor and outdoor use. The pros of the Drive Medical 10257BL include its sturdy steel frame, adjustable handle height, and foldable design. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than other options, and its storage compartment is relatively small. If you're looking for a well-built, no-frills rollator walker, this is a great place to start. At number 4, we have the Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker with Seat. This is our budget-friendly pick, coming in at just $89.99. Despite its lower price tag, this walker doesn't skimp on features. It boasts an impressive 350-pound weight capacity, durable construction, and 8-inch puncture-proof wheels that handle both indoor and outdoor terrains with ease. The adjustable seat and handle heights make it suitable for users ranging from 4'7" to 6'6", ensuring a comfortable experience for a wide range of people. One standout feature is the extra-wide memory foam seat, which is both comfortable and supportive. Safety is also a top priority with Homeland, as it includes a reliable braking system, ergonomic hand grips, and multi-reflective struts for enhanced nighttime visibility. Weighing 20.4 pounds, it's not the lightest model, but its quick-fold design makes it easy to transport and store. While the Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker offers great value, it does have its limitations. The design is functional, but lacks the premium aesthetic of higher-priced models. Additionally, while the seat and backrest are comfortable, they may not provide the same level of ergonomic support as some of the more expensive options. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for anyone on a budget who still wants a reliable and feature-packed rollator. Coming in at number 3 is the Vokic Z21 Rollator Walker with Seat. This walker is designed with both comfort and durability in mind. Its aluminum alloy frame is lightweight yet strong, with a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels and textured tire surface make it ideal for all terrains, including slippery surfaces. The innovative 3-second folding design is another highlight, allowing for easy storage and transport. What sets the Vokic Z21 apart is its ergonomic arc seat and ultra-wide backrest. The seat is designed to relieve pressure on the hips, while the thickened padding ensures a comfortable experience. The dual height adjustment system is another great feature, allowing users to customize both the seat height and handle height for optimal comfort. Safety features include a highly sensitive braking system and reflective strips for nighttime visibility. On the downside, this model is slightly heavier than some of its competitors, and its folded dimensions might make it less compact than others on this list. However, the Vokic Z21 excels in comfort, versatility, and durability, making it a great choice for users who want a walker that can handle a variety of terrains and provide all-day comfort. At number 2, we have the Soundfuse Rollator Walker with Seat. This walker strikes a great balance between affordability and premium features. The reinforced triangular frame and double crossbar support provide excellent stability, with a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. The 8-inch wheels are designed for all terrains, making this walker a reliable option whether you're navigating indoor spaces or uneven outdoor surfaces. Comfort is where the SoundFuse Walker really shines. The biomimetic seat is ergonomically designed to conform to your body's curves, and the thickened padding ensures you'll stay comfortable even during extended use. The dual height adjustment system allows you to customize both the seat and handle heights, making it suitable for users ranging from 4'7" to 6'6". Additional features like the dependable braking system, pinch-proof folding points, and multi-reflective strips ensure safety and ease of use. While the SoundFuse Rollator is feature-packed, it does weigh 20.4 pounds, which might be a consideration for users who prioritize lightweight designs. That said, its quick fold design makes it easy to store and transport. This is an excellent choice for those who want a comfortable, durable walker with all the bells and whistles. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker with seat. This is the premium option on our list, and it's easy to see why. With its sleek aluminum frame, this walker is both lightweight and incredibly strong, supporting up to 350 pounds. The standout feature here is the 10-inch front casters, which provide superior stability and make it easy to handle a variety of terrains. The Nitro Sprint excels in comfort and functionality. The wide contoured backrest and padded seat offer top-notch comfort, while the adjustable height backrest ensures a customized fit. The innovative braking system includes 3 modes: free, slow down, and park, giving you ultimate control, even on downhill slopes. The spacious storage bag can be mounted in 3 different positions, and there's even an accessory mount for items like a cane or cup holder. While it's the most expensive model on our list at $199.99, the Nitro Sprint justifies its price with its premium design, superior performance, and user-friendly features. It's ideal for those who want the best of the best and are willing to invest in a high-quality rollator. If you're looking for a walker that combines style, functionality, and durability, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best rollator walker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your experiences, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.